Swan. Swan is a spinal extension exercise, and it's important that we are able to engage the back line of our body and that we still feel supported in the front of our body. So let's go ahead and bring our hands to make a pillow for our forehead, and we're going to roll our shoulders away from our ears. Here, the legs can be together. I like mine a little bit apart so that I can feel weight on both sides of my pelvis towards the mat. Here, I'm going to take an inhale, and I'm going to try to lift my hands into my forehead to lift my arms off the mat. Here, I should feel my upper back engaged, my thoracic spine engaged, and then I'm going to go back down. Inhale, let the arms hover. Neck stays nice and long. And go back down. Again, we're zipping up through the front of our body, pulling our belly up with us to support the front of our body, which also helps us not crank into our low back. And if you feel good with that, let's go ahead now and bring our hands by our shoulders. So we're removing our hands from under our head. Our nose is still towards the mat. We want to get our shoulders away from our ears. So for some of us, we have to go a little wider on the mat. Here, we're going to lift through the crown of our head. We feel like we're pushing the mat away as we lift our chest. Notice that I did not look forward. I'm trying to lift my chest, which is going to change the gaze of my eyes as my chest lifts up more. And then let's go back down. Exhale. And again, zip up through the front of the body, shoulders out of the ears, belly is drawing in and up. As we reach through the crown of our head, pushing the mat away as our chest lifts. And all the way